Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time at the Novi summer camp held at Novi Woods Elementary School in Novi, Michigan for this particular summer. And we had it right here in the gymnasium. We had grades pre-K all the way through sixth grade today. And just a lot of energy, a lot of fun, really a lot of heart. And you could see the kids really responded, that they like the head nods and really responded to some of the questions that I had, that it really sunk home for today's theme and message, which was all about diversity, our differences, and the need to appreciate our differences both on the outside and on the inside, but also the need for human kindness, and this kindness which starts in all of our hearts, right? And so just through a lot of stories, videos, some songs as well, we talked about the need to not only receive this kindness and choose to do that, but then to be able to go and give it back, right? And this is so important because there's so many people out there, a lot of students that I visit all across this country especially, that when they look in the mirror in the morning, that they don't even appreciate their own diversity, right? They don't even appreciate their own differences. And so we also talked about the M on all of our palms, the M for miracle with the lines on all of our hands. We all have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one mine here, and what it says on the front of this shirt that I'm wearing for today's program, which is miracle, right? M for miracle upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, right? And we have to choose that. We have to choose love, choose that unconditional love, love without any conditions, that even if somebody's taller than us or shorter or wider, thinner, wears glasses or doesn't, different skin color, in a wheelchair or not, we still choose to show them love, right? It's not an easy thing to do, but I love that they have this theme throughout their school in general, but especially here in the gym. There's a couple great posters talking about treating others with respect. Further down, how every person belongs, right? And even on this wall too, to include everyone, right? Not just some people, but everyone. And so to understand that at such a young age is super powerful. And to know that they got that today, that it really did sink into their hearts. And again, it's so important that we show this kindness, because it could be somebody nearby that just sees that act of kindness or hears that kind word, and it actually positively changes their heart for the better too. You know, all of us have this choice, and to know at a young age that they can all make a difference is huge. So I couldn't have asked for anything better this afternoon for talking about diversity and the need for human kindness. Guys, thanks for touching my heart. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the amazing playlist for some inspirational video clips, and visit my website too. You'll see the link here to track my journey as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.